In this video, you'll learn how to create an incoming webhook for Slack. By following these steps, you will enable your applications to send messages directly into your Slack channels. Start by navigating to the Slack API applications page. Open your web browser and enter the Slack API URL. Once the page loads, you should see the header that reads applications at the top of the screen. This confirms you are on the correct page. Next, locate the button labeled Create New App on the right side of the screen. Clicking this button will prompt a new interface to appear, allowing you to choose how to create your app. Once this appears, select the option labeled From Scratch. This selection will take you to the next step where you can enter specific details about your app. Now, type in a name for your app in the provided text field. Ensure that the name is unique and descriptive, as this will help you identify the app later. After entering the name, you will see a drop-down menu labeled Select a Workspace. Click on Select a Workspace to open a list of available workspaces. Choose the workspace where you want the app to be created. After making your selection, the screen will update to reflect your choice. After that, click on the button labeled Create App. This action will generate your new app and redirect you to the app settings page, which contains various configuration options. Next, find the section titled Incoming Webhooks in the left sidebar. Click on this option to navigate to the webhook settings. You should see information about webhooks and options to manage them. Now, look for a button labeled Activate Incoming Webhooks. Click on it to enable the functionality. You will notice a confirmation message indicating that incoming webhooks are now active. Following this, locate the toggle switch that says Off and click on it to turn it on. This step is essential for allowing webhooks to be added and used within your app. Once this is done, find the button labeled Add New Webhook. Clicking this will open a new interface where you can select a channel for the webhook to post messages. Next, click on the channel you want the webhook to send messages to. You will see a list of channels. Select one that is appropriate for your notifications. After selecting the channel, you will need to click on the highlight option. This will allow you to customize the settings for message delivery. Then choose the All One Feed option, which indicates the visibility of the webhook. This setting will govern how messages sent via the webhook are displayed in the selected channel. Next, click on the Allow button to grant permissions for the webhook to operate within the selected channel. This step is crucial for ensuring that the webhook can send messages as intended. After this confirmation, you should see a message indicating success. This final confirmation confirms that your incoming webhook has been successfully created and is ready to use. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.